So right now they're working on a Patriot. Welcome to Wilkins, Oklahoma Truck Supply.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Yeah.
Check out our latest edition, all the Mother Trucker gear.
I love it. I love it. I appreciate that so much.
Yes.
All you mother truckers, man, come out, support these people, man.
Yes.
They support us.
Got all kinds of stuff. It's been hard to get stuff, like everyone knows right now. Can't hardly get anything, but really trying to keep the store stocked up. Got a good selection of stuff still for inside, outside, accessories, even some hard parts. We've got all kinds of stuff right now.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's cool. What we got going on in the shop?
Oh, come on. All kinds of stuff. So right now they're working on a Patriot. Got it kind of taken down to the cab, getting ready to get it painted and put back together.
Wow, look at this. We're getting an exclusive look, people.
Yep, just getting started on this one.
How long does it take to complete a project?
It just depends. Right now a little bit longer just because stuff is harder to get. I mean, it can take 6 to 8 months to get the interior or different things. So it takes a little bit, but I mean, hopefully this one will be done at least before the truck show next year in September.
I love it. I love it. Yes. Yes. People, make
Gotta
sure
be
you
ready
get to
before
the show.
then. Yes,
Best
always
of
third
Memphis.
weekend in September.
I love it. I love it. I love it. And then what we got over here? What's this one?
That's one we looked at when you were here last time. Number
Tell them about
148.
it. There's always new people. Tell them about
Classic number 148. And it'll be sold as a glider. We're waiting on the sleeper to get back from paint, but it's got an all-new interior in it. So it'll be sold without the rear ends, without the transmission.
He's beautiful.
Thanks.
It's beautiful. That's cool. So when people come here, what can they expect?
All kinds of chrome parts. We do installs. Don't do anything major like the paint. We don't have a paint booth, but definitely get you fixed up. Anything you get in the store, get it put on for you. Get you fixed up.
I love it. Mother Truckers, make sure you come on down. What's your address here?
16600 West Fountain Road. We're north I-35 at exit 211.
You know, I don't promote everybody, but y'all are family.
Thank you.
And you guys are good people. And
Thank you.
so, you know, people see Grandpa Cliff on the show all the time.
Yes, yep.
But, you know, and we get you on the show here and there as well.
That's right.
But you're becoming a pro.
Well, thanks.
We're good. Thank you.
Hey,
That's
thank
it.
you.
Yep.